Hello, welcome to Haven of Excellence Academic Center, where we prepare students for their examinations. We are talking about ECZ, which is Examination Council of Zambia examinations, as well as Cambridge examinations. So, looking at these questions, I want to show you how you can solve these questions without having difficulties. Are we together? So now, what's going to happen here is the fact that we're going to solve question 1a, which says evaluate, that is a mixed fraction you see there. In fact, all of them, they're just mixed fractions. So now, how can we solve this? We are supposed to consider what we call BODMAS, which is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so that question you see over there, it looks like this. Okay, the question looks like this. Okay, it's like this one here. So what you do to such a question, first you are supposed to consider BODMAS. Okay, before we consider BODMAS, let us convert this into an improper fraction. By doing this, 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 5, it is 21, and the denominator will still remain the same there. Then minus 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1, that's 13, and the denominator will still remain the same. Then you have divided by 1 times 12, it's 12, plus 1, it's 13, and the denominator will still remain the same there. So when you reach here now, you can consider BODMAS, which is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So here, we have this one, which is the division. So we are supposed to consider the division operation first. So what we have is 21 over 8 minus. So now this one, how we can handle this one? This one has to change to multiplication according to the law of fractions, and once it changes to multiplication, then the denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator. So what you have there, it's 12 over 13. Okay, so now when you reach here now, you have 21 over 8 minus, then now you are supposed to work out what is in the brackets there. You can see that 6 can go into 12 two times, so here 2, here 1 time, then 13 and 13 will cancel. 13 can go, it goes in here 1, then here also 1. So what you have there is 1 times 2, it is 2, over 1 times 1, it is 1. And then when you reach here now, you can look for the LCM. Okay, so the lowest common multiple here, it is 8. So we know that 8 goes into 8 1 times. 1 times 21, it is actually 21, minus 1 goes into 8 times, times 2, which is 16. So your final answer becomes 16 here plus 5. So your final answer becomes 5 over 8. And this is your final answer. Okay, so the other question is... So the other question I want to solve, because I know the question you see here, it is actually very simple, this one on B. So people find challenges when it comes to factorize. So I want to factorize this one, then I see how far we can go with it. So now this is what is going to happen. We have factorized completely 3y squared minus 12. Okay, so we look for the highest common factor here. So we know that 3 can go into 12 without leaving a remainder, and you put 3 there. Then since we don't have y here, so you just open brackets like that. Then 3y squared divided by 3, what you get there, it's y squared. And here, 12 divided by 3, the answer is 4. And what you get there is actually 3